Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Today is the offline class also, and today I am going to start a new chapter. As you are knowing, today is 29, 30 and 2020. This video is for class 9th. Topic: I am going to start a new chapter, that is the natural resources. And it will be an introductory video for your class. Dear students, life is known to exist only on planet Earth. And here it happens because components like the lithosphere, means land, the land that is called the lithosphere, water, hydrosphere, and air, that is the atmosphere. These components interact with each other to make the life possible on this planet. The reason where the life exists because of interaction of these three components is called the biosphere. Reason where life exists and how life exists, it is because of interaction between these three components. And this biosphere has different components like the biotic components, biotic components means living things of that area, like plants, animals, fungus, protists, insects, means all living things make the biotic component of biosphere. While the other components are abiotic components, and these include the water, air, sunlight, soil. So these are okay. So these biotic and abiotic components interact together, and because of that, the life becomes possible in that region. Okay. And the only planet is the Earth where the life is exists. So these components affect living beings, and living beings also affect on the balance of these components. Okay, and their influence we have to study in this chapter. Okay, that form ecosystem also interaction of living and non-living component of the environment. Dear students, in all living organisms who are existing on our planet Earth, only human beings are able to get the materials from the environment according to their need, and they can manipulate these resources also. Okay, what are resources? Resources are the materials that are kept reserved in the environment and supply useful materials to the human welfare. So those are the resources, they are kept reserved. There are certain reasons why we have to study these chapters. As you are knowing, there are many problems arises due to the indiscriminate use of natural resources. And human not only use them, but extract them. Okay? More than their need. And it becomes possible their use of resources, extraction of resources is more because of three reasons, that is the increasing population, technical urbanization and technical advancement. So these are the reasons how the natural resources, how much natural resources means. I want to make you understand that there is a balance of biotic and abiotic components in the biosphere, in the environment, and because of their balance, the life which exists on the earth will exist healthy, and their all the needs will be fulfilled in the biosphere. But due to increase in population of human beings, because of the increased promotion of the culture of urbanization and technical advancement, make the natural resources extract more than the need. And when we extract the natural resources more than their need, the balance will disturb, and that will create many problems. So in this chapter, we will study about these things. What things? They are natural. We will study in this chapter three topics. That is the natural resources, and some prominent problems like the pollution, depletion of ozone layer, acid rain, these things. So second thing we will study in this chapter, that is the prominent problems, environmental problems and biogeochemical science. In this chapter, we will study these topics in somewhat detail. Okay? These topics. Okay? Dear students, first of all, I want to make you know about the classification of natural resources, how natural resources are classified on the basis of different points. Okay? Different points like their distribution, the abundance, and the chemical nature. Okay? 3. Classification of natural resources. They are provided by the nature itself for the human welfare, but because human beings are too wise, but they use natural resources wisely. Okay, to fulfill not their need, but to fulfill their greed, and because of that, many problems arises. So, on the basis of chemical nature. On the basis of chemical nature, the natural resources are classified as the organic resources, means like the plants, animals, and other living, those have the life, are covered under organic resources. Second category is inorganic resources, and these inorganic resources means chemical resources, those who do not have the living components in them, like the air, water, sunlight, etc. Okay, and some resources are having the property of both organic as well as inorganic. Like you can take the example of soil here. Okay, soil has the living components that indicate remains of the dead plants and animals, as well as minerals in it. So it will come under the category of mixed resources. Second basis is on the basis of abundance. Abundance means what is the amount of the natural resources. On this basis, one is the inexhaustible resources. These resources cannot be over or used out even after the use of human beings, means they will remain on the earth forever and they cannot be used up, like the air, water, sunlight. These are those resources which are abundant in amount and they cannot be used up. Okay, and the second is exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources which can be used up. Okay, जो एक बार खत्म हो सकता है यूज करते करते. Okay, so these are further classified into two categories, and these two categories are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. Okay? Renewable resources, they renew themselves. Okay? Like you can take here the example of forest. Okay? Or crops. If we use them wisely and give sufficient time, then they can be recover themselves. Okay? So they are the renewable resources. And non-renewable resources, those who have a fixed amount on the earth, and if we use wisely, once time will come when they will be used up and no more amount will remain on the earth for the further use. Like you can take here the example of coal, petroleum industry. Okay. So here you have to understand all the things properly. And third basis is on the basis of distribution, where they are distributed, on the basis of distribution, and on this basis the resources can be national resources. National resources means they are distributed in boundary of any country. Okay. For this you can take the example of land. Land are distributed. Land has the boundary. Beyond the boundary, the resource come not under any particular country, and within the boundary it will be belongs to possession of some particular country. Okay, like the borders. Inside the border, the land is of India, and outside of the border is the land of another country. So land is a national type of resource. Second type of resource is multinational. Multinational resources. Multinational resources like those natural resources which are shared by more than one country. More than one country, they are called the multinational. You can take example here are rivers. Okay, rivers flow more than one country. Okay. And third category on the basis of distribution is the international resources. International resources and international resources that distributed all over the world equally. They are called the international resources like sunlight, air. Okay, so these are the international resources. So this is the classification of natural resources on the basis of different basis, like on the basis of their chemical nature, on the basis of the amount means abundance, and on the basis of their distribution. Okay, so in this way, here is this is the first topic. And this topic is introductory. Later on we will study other points like the natural resources like air, water separately. Okay. So let's make a flow chart here that how the resources are classified. Okay. So here this flow chart will help you to understand properly. Look here, classification. So this is one is on the basis of chemical nature, and on the basis of chemical nature, the resources can be organic, inorganic, and third is the mixed. Okay. Here you can take the example organic like the plants means forests. Okay, animals. Inorganic, you can take here the example of water, and mixed, you can take here the example of soil. This is first basis of classification. Second basis of classification is on the basis of abundance. Abundance, how much amount? Abundance. And on the basis of abundance, what is the inexhaustible resources. And you can take here the example of water, air, this, and second is the inexhaustible resources, and inexhaustible resources which can be used up, and they are further renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, renewable, you can take here the example of forests, animals, and non-renewable like coal and petroleum. Okay, and the third basis on the basis of distribution. Okay, and on the basis of distribution, it can be national, within the boundary. National resources means within the boundary of a nation. This is the boundary of a nation. Example, you can take here the land. Okay. Second is multinational, that is within the boundary of more than one country. Okay, within the boundary of more than one country. Here you can take the example of rivers. Water flows through the rivers. And third is the international, distributed all over the world evenly. Okay, like the sunlight, air. Okay, so this is the classification of natural resources. So this is all for today. Revise these topics and watch the video again and again. You will be able to understand the introductory part of this chapter. Later on, I will prepare the next video to make you understand the other topics of this chapter. Till then, enjoy yourself, study properly, stay healthy. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.